Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Lifestyle Fashion. Today we're having another hotel review. Alright guys, so starting from the entrance, this is what you see. Emergency evacuation plan in case of an emergency. I'm already sounding like an air fake, which I am. In case of an emergency, the exit routes and everything. So that's it, and it's just behind the door. So immediately after the door, it's the wardrobe. Okay, so open it, Emmanuel. So that's the wardrobe, and that's it, empty one.
And what about this one?
And after the wardrobe, we have.
What about this one?
This. It's kind of dark, so sorry.
Mommy, what about this one?
Also we have another wardrobe. Like I said, every room I booked is for two. This has a safe where you can keep your valuable things, and also it has sub compartments in this wardrobe. Moving to the bathroom section, I'm sure you guys want to see what's inside the bathroom. Hi. So this is the bathroom, and coming in straight, we have all this. Wow, oh wow, look at all what they gave us, compliments of the room. And just behind the door, we have the towel rack, and also we have the bathtub, shower. Hi, what's up people? And this is Emmanuel. Hello. And here's the mirror, the toilet. We have a toilet on this. So the room, the bathroom is actually not bad. It's good.
Okay, come.
So guys, moving to the room. This is the room, and we start with the bed. This is the bed. So lovely. I personally like this. So lovely. And after the bed, side lamps. And to this side, this is where my luggage were packed. And checking in now, and I had to get one or two things to eat, but they helped me with my luggage up. So these are my luggage and my son's, and here we have the in-house refreshment entertainment, the TV. Then this, I'll open it to check what's inside. And then there's a baby cot, in case if you have babies. I don't have babies, I have a grown-up man. And back to the bed. And that's all about the Movenpick hotel room, actually located at the Dead Sea Movenpick hotel room at Dead Sea, Jordan. That's where I am. That's where I'm showing you this beautiful room. And here we have this is the mini bar. I don't know if it's equipped, I'm going to check. And some tumbler. Oh, it has some drinks inside actually, guys. It has some drinks inside, but I don't know. I'm going to ask about the drinks. If it's free, I'll let you guys know. So thank you guys for watching this video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.